Hello students, welcome to TSAT classes. Welcome to the session on Telangana Group 1 Prelims exam. As a part of this series, we have launched classes with respect to Telangana Group 1 Prelims exam in English medium. As part of this course, we have started Telangana policies and welfare schemes topics. In a 5-lesson series, we have completed 4 lessons. Today is the last class on Telangana policies and welfare schemes. As part of this Telangana policies and welfare schemes, in today's class, let us discuss about welfare schemes launched by Telangana government since 2014 for vulnerable sections in the society. Vulnerable sections, when legally say it means those people who are part of SCs, STs, minorities, physically handicapped, orphans. These are the vulnerable sections in the society. Old age, sickness, etc. Now, the scheme is, this class is all about that welfare schemes launched by Telangana government for these sections. Now, coming to this topic, we will look into certain schemes related to vulnerable sections with the help of the objective type questions. While looking at the objective type questions, my intention through it or through this is to give you more information. If needed, we will also see some more information in a separate slide. Look at this question. Now, this is important for the exam. Try to concentrate. Consider the following and choose the correct statement with regards to Kalyana Lakshmi or Shadi Mubarak scheme. Kalyana Lakshmi scheme is for Hindus who belong to vulnerable sections. Shadi Mubarak is for minorities, especially Muslim community girl child or a girl who is going to get married. Let us see this. This scheme was launched on 2nd October 2014. Absolutely correct. Under this scheme, a financial support of rupees 1,116,000 is given to the SCs, STs and minorities. Only SCs and STs and minorities as on today. It is given to those girls who crosses 18 years of the age and their annual income of less than 2 lakhs rupees per annum. All the statements are correct. Firstly, let us see the answer. All the statements are correct. Now look at this. Imagine there is a family. This family belongs to ST community or SC community or a minority. And the annual income of this family is less than 2 lakhs per annum. This family is eligible for Shadi Mubarak or Kalyana Lakshmi scheme. Under this scheme, whenever a girl child gets married, right, 1,116,000 rupees is given by the government to treat the expenses of the marriage. So, see, it is a burden on every father at the time of the marriage of his daughter. So, government of Telangana has took that burden from the fathers. At least few % of that burden is taken out. And now, under this scheme, every girl child is supported when she is getting married. Which of the following statements is or are correct with respect to Asara pensions? It is a pension scheme given to, see, this is important for the exam, expected for the exam, because he will ask you who benefits from this scheme, who are the beneficiaries. So try to understand this. It is a pension scheme given to widows, HIV patients, weavers, toddy tappers and disabled persons. See, even this is given to single women. Even this is given to single women. Telangana is the only and the first state to start single women pension scheme. This is absolutely correct. Under this scheme, 3016 rupees per month is given to disabled persons. Now, Government of India proposed to reduce the age of the eligibility for old age pensions under this scheme from 65 to 57 years from 1st April 2022. All the statements are correct. Everyone should remember this for sure. Okay, who are the beneficiaries in this scheme? Widows, HIV patients, weavers, toddy tappers, disabled persons, old age people. Old age people. Now in 2022, the government has proposed to reduce the age from 65 to 57 years. Okay. Consider the following and choose which of the following statements is correct with regards to 𝗫𝗓 scheme. 𝗫𝗓 is something which we can drink. What is 𝗫𝗓 scheme? It is a soft drink supported by Telangana government. 𝗫𝗓 processing unit was established at 𝗪𝗏𝗃𝗃. Both the statements are correct. See, it is a soft drink which is an energy drink. It is an energy drink. And this processing unit was in 𝗪𝗏𝗃𝗃, supported by the government of Telangana completely. Consider the following and choose the correct statement with respect to Telangana diagnostic scheme. Telangana diagnostic scheme, diagnostic health diagnostic centers. Look at this. It was launched on June 9th, 2018 at Institute of Preventive Medicine, Hyderabad. At Institute of Preventive Medicine, Hyderabad. The objective is to conduct 60 plus types of tests for BPL families for free of cost. So, all below poverty line people are eligible for under this scheme, and under this scheme almost nearly 60 plus types of diagnostics is conducted for BPL families for free of cost, and this is launched on 9th June 2018. Both the statements are correct. Okay. Consider the following and choose the correct statement with regards to 𝗧𝗏 Telangana program. 𝗧𝗏 Telangana program. The scheme is implemented to implement 𝗧𝗏 Bharat Abhiyan for which is of Government of India scheme. See, Government of India on 2nd October 2014 launched 𝗧𝗏 Bharat Abhiyan. It's a 𝗧𝗏 Bharat scheme, free sanitization or cleanliness scheme. Taking the ideology of Mahatma Gandhi of Clean India, this 𝗧𝗏 Bharat scheme was launched. To implement this Government of India 𝗧𝗏 Bharat scheme, Government of Telangana started 𝗧𝗏 Telangana or 𝗧𝗏 Telangana scheme. When started in 2014, Telangana had only 27.32% of sanitation coverage. Presently, 100%. Telangana was declared ODF, open defecation free. Open defecation free in 2019. In 2019, it is declared as open defecation free. This is also correct statement. Consider the following and choose the correct statement with regards to dialysis scheme. See, it is related to kidney dialysis. See, there are many people in India who need a dialysis alternative day, once in every second day. And if you go to private hospitals, once to do one-time dialysis, it costs you almost 1,000 to 1,500 rupees. That means it comes to 30,000 to 45,000 rupees per month. It is an overburden on a person who is part of below poverty line and also a middle class person. 30,000 is not a small amount for him. So knowing this, recognizing this difficulty, Government of India, Government of Telangana started dialysis centers. It was launched on 18th August 2017 at 𝗧𝗦𝗔𝗧. The objective of this scheme is to provide dialysis facilities for poor. Answer is both the statements are correct. Remember 𝗧𝗦𝗔𝗧. Consider the following and choose the correct statement with regards to 𝗧𝗦 scheme. You all remember what is 𝗧𝗦? 𝗧𝗦 is nothing but using blockchain technology and digitalization of land records in Telangana. Digitalization of land records in Telangana. It was launched on September 15 to 2017 at Hyderabad. It was launched on September 15 to 2017 at Hyderabad. The main objective is to digitalize the land records in Telangana by using blockchain technology. See, you all know cryptocurrency. See, cryptocurrency is linked or it is part of blockchain technology. See, blockchain technology brings transparency in the system. So answer is C. Both the statements are correct. Which of the following is the model e-village announced by Government of India? E-village. E-village stands for electronic village. Which of the following is a model electronic village? See, Government of India is doing an experiment on making it an e-village. The answer is it Warangal, Kodangal, Chotuppal? None. Answer is Chotuppal. Chotuppal in Nalgonda district has been recognized as a e-village announced by Government of India. Consider the following and choose the correct statement with regards to Kanti Velugu. Kanti Velugu. See, the name itself denotes Kanti, eyes, Velugu, sparkling. Kanti Velugu. This scheme is linked to the protection of the eyes. It was launched on 15th August 2018 at Malkapur, Siddipet. The objective of this scheme is to provide free eye checkup. Free eye checkup. Both the statements are correct. Now try to understand this. See, Kanti Velugu is one of the unique program launched by Telangana government, according to which there is no criteria. Any person who is part of Telangana can approach the nearest community center and undergo a free eye checkup. Not only undergo a free eye checkup, under this scheme of Kanti Velugu, even some people are given specs. This scheme was launched at Malkapur, Siddipet, but now this scheme has been discontinued due to many reasons. But there is a chance that he will ask this question and try to understand this. So this is launched on 15th August 2018. Consider the following and choose the correct statement. Consider the following and choose the correct statement. Correct statement. She teams started on 24th October 2014. SoftNet, July 26th, 2016. T-Robo program, 11th April 2016. All the statements are correct. Now look at the first one. She teams. She teams is part of Telangana police system, where in this police system of Telangana, a separate wing called She teams has been initiated by the government on 24th October 2014. The only objective of this She team is to bring protection to the girls in Telangana state. She teams are operated using digital platform, IT technologies. When an SOS software, SOS app has been downloaded, whenever this SOS app works under the digital technology, whenever a girl is in a sudden problem, she can directly approach SHE teams and call SHE teams, and within a span of 5 or 10 minutes, the nearby SHE team will approach that girl and rescue her. The second thing we have is SoftNet. SoftNet has been started in 2016 on July 26th. It has completed 5 years, and this is a very prestigious product of Telangana government. Under SoftNet, a free television channel of Telangana called TSAT Vidya and TSAT Nipuna has been launched. TSAT here stands for Telangana Satellite TV. Through Telangana Satellite TV, like we are doing now, through that, Government of Telangana intends to provide education to the marginalized people who cannot afford coaching fees. Through software, through Telangana TSAT TV, coaching for different competitive exams, also classroom work or homework or tuitions for different school standards will be provided. This is a very prestigious program and very unique program launched by the state of Telangana. The third one we have is 𝗕Robo program. It stands for Technology Robo Program. Now, what is this Technology Robo Program? It is an automation program whereby it is launched on 11th April 2016 to develop the robo technology in India, or especially in Telangana. So, the answer for this is all the statements are correct. Now, these are your welfare schemes for vulnerable sections in Telangana. Now, we have done 5 episodes on the welfare schemes in Telangana state. In these 5 episodes, we have seen health related schemes, agriculture related schemes, environment related schemes, education related schemes, vulnerable sections schemes, technology related schemes, industries related schemes, infrastructure related schemes. I am sure that 1 or 2 questions will directly come from our this 5 sessions classes for your TSPSC Group 1 prelims. I request all the students to revise these classes again, make notes, revise it, and please go to exam with full confidence. All the very best for your exams. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.